everybody, it's Kelly, and I have an unboxing video for this month's Cheeky Studio, so October 2018 Cheeky Studio kit. And I'm a little later with this one because when it came, I was actually on vacation. And of course you'll see vacation scrapbooking, but more importantly, I was meeting my new great nephew, and you're definitely going to see pictures of him. So anyway, let's get to the kit. I took it out of the box, but I haven't really looked at it. So the first thing I'm going to look at or show you is the kits come with some sketches. And this is the October 2018 kit. It is called On the Cover. That's the name of it. There is the sheet of sketches here. So there's 4 sketches that you can use. Do whatever you want. So those are cool. These are some really kind of nice ones. So I'll have to use them. I don't think I used any of the sketches last month. So I will do that, try to do that this month. All right, so I'm going to actually go to the paper first. And I'm sorry if this bothers you that I'm opening this, but I'm doing it. Except it's hard to get to. So I like to kind of respond like real life instead of me seeing it or not, seeing it first. So I do always save the tissue paper that stuff comes wrapped in because I frequently use that as layers. If you've seen any of my videos for these process videos, you'll know that. So, all right, so the paper here, it looks like, yep, it all is. This is all from Wild Whisper. This is amazing. So on the cover, a definite book theme. I also happen to know from some sneak peeks that there's a little wine theme here as well. So isn't this beautiful paper? Lots of books here. And I do have a book club, so that will be fun. This one is called One More Chapter. And then the back side of this is black and white books with book themed things like Hit the Books, True Story, Fictional, and then a date stamp on the bottom here, which is kind of fun. Then this one is called, sorry guys, I don't know what the paper is actually called. There is no name for it. It's just One More Chapter is the name. So this must be the paper line. So this one is a whole bunch of black and white date stamps. That's really cute. And then the back side is kind of like a peachy orange with white stars. And then, I'm not sure, there's a border strip here, and I don't know what the border strip is. I'll have to look at it a little bit closer. Then there's this kind of purpley blue with sketched pens. The other nice thing that I'm seeing here is there's some solid colors here, so you can match things that go with it. The back side is this one, and this looks like some sort of, maybe a mailbox, like old-fashioned mailboxes, maybe is what that is. Not sure. There's like a little combination to them. And then the thing here says Hit the Books and True Story, the border strip. This one is cute. This is a whole bunch of pencils here. This will be good for like school layouts or other things. Oh, and this is cool. This is a lined piece of paper, but it looks like it's been wrinkled. So that's kind of fun. Then this one is like, it's kind of a mustard color, and then it just has words on it like, live the life that people write stories about, just one more chapter between the pages. So that'll be interesting to use. That could be used book themed or just other things. And the back of this one is the crinkly paper that you saw on the back of that. And then lined pens here. This one is an ombre blue here. And it says things like true story, nonfiction, study buddy, fictional stories. So again, this could be used for a lot of different things. And then the back of this are cut aparts with, again, whatever that is, but lots of different things. And then the One More Chapter here. So really usable things. This is an interesting paper too, guys, because I've never had anything from Wild Whisper, and it has a very shiny, glossy texture to it. So that will be interesting to use. So there's the papers, and maybe I'll keep that one close to hand. So then this is the ephemera that you get. with the kit. And usually, I don't know this for sure because I forgot to look this up, Tuesday makes that available to everyone, even though you can't get the kit. So I'm not going to swear that that's what's going to happen this time, but that's what happens most times. So here we have like a little bookmark, some different, like a very good read. Oh, look at these cute books. Another book, please. This is a square here. I think this is a 2x2 square. Some more tags here. And here comes the wine. So yay, personal favorite for me. There's a bottle of wine. There are florals in this kit. Tuesday does such beautiful florals. A couple of the pens. This is that piece. So if you know what that is, tell me. More wine there. Books and wine glasses, and I'm very happy about all of those. More florals again. So these will be really nice. Here's a little journaling square and a cork. Lots of pens. Here's one of my personal beliefs. So many books, so little time. More books. So lots of books, obviously, here. So this will be great if you have a book club. I just scrapbooked some photos of my book club, so I did it a little too soon. Although the colors of this probably wouldn't have worked very well with the photos we had. So usually these florals too come in different sizes, so you can see this one is the same, but different sizes here. So really gorgeous. It goes with the colors of this kit. See, there's the colors again, and you can see like Tuesday took the colors right from that. So that's pretty cool. Lots of great pieces here. So I'm just going to take this and kind of put these up over here so you can kind of see that. Then we have these enamel dots from Project Life, and they're like almost watercolored looking. They're gorgeous. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick that up, but those will go beautifully with some of these colors. And in colors don't have. This you kind of saw, I think, in the beginning. There's some really chunky twine here. Oh, I just realized what this is on. This is on a cork. How cool. That will be fun. And then this package is, oh yeah, so the die cuts are not exclusive, the on the cover ephemera, but this is. So because it says exclusive Cheeky Kit Club. I always forget that she does this. These are frames, so this will be fun. So some book related frames here. And a couple of plain frames, and again, these are all in the colors. Some wine related frames. This one's just a nice little plain journaling, and then there's a pen one. So those are the frames, and you get 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. So I'm going to kind of gather those up, and then there is a package here that is flat, and it has some twine. Well, check this out. Let's see what this is. This is always so much fun opening this tissue paper. I think I know what this is. And I've never played with one of these before. Ooh, actually I didn't totally know what it is, so that's cool. All right, so the big piece in this is a traveler's notebook insert. So there it is. And isn't that fun? It says one more chapter. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. I do not have a traveler's notebook. So honestly, I've been resisting the urge to scrapbook in it because it was just one more thing. So I don't know. This will be really interesting. This would make a really cool book to keep track of books or those kinds of things as well too. So we'll see. And then also is this one little envelope. So this will be very cool to play with. So guys, don't forget that you can place an order at any point in time, and use my code Kelly10, it's Kelly 10, to get 10% off of your order, except for the Kit Club. So you wouldn't get this 10% off, but you could get that 10% off, just so that you know that. So anything in the store except for the Kit Club is 10% off. You will be seeing me using some of these goodies on layouts this month. So hope you guys are all well, and don't forget to go check out the Cheeky Studio website. There's lots of great products on it. Bye, everybody.